Strong coffee in a chip blue cup. Sun sneaks through the curtains, stripe by stripe. Phone face down. I just look up at all this quiet, simple life. Toast pop somehow feels epic. Crumbs all over this old plate. You say, sleep good, I say super. We laugh cause we both woke up late. It's a perfectly ordinary morning, but somehow it's shining like gold. I should take notes on the small things, on the way your hand fits mine. Just so a perfectly ordinary moment, but my heart is wide open, no doubt. Feels totally, totally magic. Guess today's the day we try out. Bus stop, same cracked sidewalk, clouds just wandering above. Your joke lands, I fake a groan, and I fold, fall into your hug. Grocery list on a wrinkled napkin, you draw hearts around the bread. I say, we're such a cliche, you just shrug, steal a kiss instead. It's a perfectly ordinary morning, but somehow it's shining like gold. I should take notes on the small things, like your name on my screen when it glows. A perfectly ordinary moment, but my heart is wide open, no doubt. Feels totally, totally magic. Guess today's the day we try out. Maybe this is how it happened, not with fireworks, just you on the couch, sharing playlists, sharing silence, and every little nothing stands out. It's a perfectly ordinary evening, streets quiet, dishes all dried out. I should take notes on the soft light, on the way we talk all worries down. It's a perfectly ordinary moment, but my heart is wide open, no doubt. Feels totally, totally magic. Guess today's the life we try out.